3, 2, 1. How to clean your lens. We have a camera here. Camera has a lens. So gotta take the lens cap off. And on this lens, particular lens, I have a UV filter on here. So I'm gonna take off the filter, counterclockwise, lefty-loosey. And I have a clear filter. And you can see it's probably quite dirty. So I'm going to clean it. What you need is an air blower and some cleaning solution, lens cleaning solution, and some cleaning pads. So first thing you do is you take your blower and blow any dust off the glass. And it's good to blow it up like I'm doing here because dust will fall away from it. Flip it over, do the other side. And then you can inspect it, look for some dirt. I like to put it up against something contrasty like dark to kind of look at it to see the dust on it. This filter is pretty dirty. It's got a lot of dust, some fingerprints. So I'm going to get a pad or cleaning cloth or cleaning tissue, call it what you want, but they are designed for cleaning your lenses. So I kind of take the square and fold it once and fold it again to make another little square. And then I take some cleaning solution, and you never want to put it directly on the lens or on the filter. You want to put it on the lens cloth. So here we go, a couple of drops, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go in a spiral direction on the filter. So kind of either direction, work your way from the inner to the outer, and then back out in one direction. And then you can flip it over and do the other side. From the outer to the inner, and then from the inner to the outer circle. After that's done, you can take a look at it. That should be pretty clean. Pretty clean. Awesome. Now on to the lens. So the lens, again, you take your blower and blow the dust off the lens, go across it so it blows it off. And you can take that same lens paper, lens tissue, a couple more drops, and you're going to fold it and use the other side. Remember, it still has the lens cleaning solution on it. So again, from the middle to the outer part, you look at it, that looks pretty good. Once you get that cleaned, you can go ahead and screw your filter back on. And now for the other side, you have a release to release the lens. You try not to get any dust in the chamber of the camera, so you lay that down, facing down, and then you can take that blower again and blow the dust out on the rear element or the exit element of the lens. From that point, you could take the lens cloth again, fold it again and again. Now you have the other side we're working with. So you can get a lot of use out of one piece of lens cloth. And then you're just going to do the same thing here, spiral in one direction, inspect it, and once that's done, you can go ahead and put the lens back on your camera, like so. Wait for a solid, nice click, and then your lens is clean. When you have that lens cloth out, it's a good time maybe to clean the viewfinder, the LCD screen, Again, the viewfinder. And if you have kind of dust on the outside of the camera body, as long as your lens is on, sometimes I take the blower and I'll blow, you know, the dust off the little nooks and crannies around the camera body. And then if you really have a lot of heavy dust, you could take a little brush like this, maybe a makeup brush or a little stiffer than a makeup brush, and just kind of dust off around the exterior of the camera. After that, your lens is clean. Good thing to do is blow out the inside of your lens cap. Might be some dust in there, and you're pretty much good to go. Put your lens cap back on, and that's how you clean your lens. Hopefully that works out for you guys today, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.